Hello viewers, I am Kausalya. Today we are going to solve example 12 in chapter 4 quadratic equations. The problem is a rectangular park is to be designed whose breadth is 3 meter less than its length. Its area is to be 4 square meters more than the area of a park that has already been made in the shape of an isosceles triangle with its base as the breadth of the rectangular park and of altitude 12 meter. So find its length and breadth. So here the thing is we have a rectangular park and the relationship between the length and breadth is given. Right. So first we will finish it off. Let L be the length and B be the breadth of the rectangle. So here breadth is 3 meter less than its length. So let the length be x. So breadth is 3 meter less than its length. So breadth is given by x minus 3. Now how will you find the area? Area of the rectangle, it is nothing but length into breadth. So here length is x and breadth is x minus 3. So here it is x into x minus 3. Now the rectangle part is over. So here the thing is its area is to be 4 square meters more than the area of a park. That is its area. What do you mean by its area? Here it is the area of the rectangle. So area of the rectangle is 4 square meters more than. Here more than indicates a plus sign. Right. So its area is 4 square meters more than the area of a isosceles triangle whose base is nothing but it is the breadth of the rectangular park and the height of the triangle is 12 meter. So here we have a rectangular shape area in a park. So beyond that we have a shape of an isosceles triangle whose base is nothing but it is the breadth of a rectangle. So here this is our rectangular part and the value of length L is x and the value of B is x minus 3. Now what about the length? So the length of this triangle is 12 meter. Now we have to find the length and breadth. So next we proceed with area of the triangle. So area of the triangle is given by half BH. So half into what is the value of B? It is x minus 3 and what is H? It is 12. So finally 2 and 12 get cancelled and we have 6 into x minus 3. So this is the area of the triangle. In the problem it is clearly mentioned that the two areas are getting related. That is area of the rectangle is 4 square meter more than the area of a isosceles triangle. So just we will make a statement out of it. Area of the rectangle is 4 meter square more than. So more than indicates a plus sign plus area of the triangle. So now just substitute the values. Area of the rectangle is x into x minus 3. 4 plus area of the triangle is 6 into x minus 3. So now we are going to simplify this. So x into x, x square, x into 3, 3x, 4 plus 6 into x, 6x minus 18. So x square minus 3x is equal to 6x. 18 minus 4 gives you 14, which is 6x minus 14. Now I am going to move all the terms to the left hand side. So here we have x square minus 3x. When you move these terms to the left hand side, there will be a sign change. So this plus 6x becomes minus 6x and minus 14 becomes plus 14 equal to 0. So x square 6x plus 3x gives you 9x. So x square minus 9x plus 14 is equal to 0. Now we are going to solve this quadratic equation. So again it's up to you. You can use quadratic formula to solve this or you can use this normal method. So here the value is 14. So again when you factorize here you will be having 2 into 7. So when you add 2 and 7 you will get 9 and when you multiply you will get 14. And here since we have a minus sign, so here it should be minus 2 and minus 7. So minus 2 minus 7, when you add it gives minus 9, and when you multiply it gives plus 14. So this minus 9x is splitted into minus 7x minus 2x, and this first term here and the final term here. Now when you look at these first two terms, you can take x commonly outside. So when you take x, so here it is x minus 7. And in these two terms, when you take minus 2 outside, here we will be having again x minus 7. So already I have told that if you have any doubt in assigning sign to this number, here if it is x minus 7, so automatically here you should have the same term. So just write x minus 7 and you just write simply 2. So since here as you need minus 2x, here just introduce a minus sign. So minus 2 into x minus 2x minus 2 into minus 7 gives you plus 14. If you have any doubt, just follow this method. Now in this expression, again this term x minus 7 is common. So just take this term outside. So here the remaining term will be x minus 2, which is equal to 0. So now we are going to equate these two terms individually to 0. So when x minus 7 is equal to 0, so what about x? It is 7. And here when x minus 2 is equal to 0, the value of x here is 2. So here the value of x is 7 and 2. So now you see the value of L is equal to x. So initially I am assigning the value of L as 7. So when L is 7, what about the breadth? Breadth is 7 minus 3, which is equal to 4 here. Even you can take the value of x equal to 2. But what happens? Here when the value of L is 2, what about breadth? Breadth is x minus 3. That is 2 minus 3 gives you a negative answer. Can a side of a rectangle be negative anyway? No. Obviously the area or side or whatever may be the term, it should be a positive value. So here we don't select x equal to 2. That is the reason. So we are going with the value of x equal to 7. So when x equal to 7, that is when length is 7, the value of breadth is 4. Now we can do a check whether the obtained answer is right or wrong. So to check, you see what is the area of rectangular park? Area of the rectangular park is given by length into breadth. So here the length is 7 and breadth is 4. So here the answer is 28 meters square. Now area of the triangular park, it is given by of BH. So what about the value of B and H? The value of H is 12. It is given in the problem. So what about the value of B? So here the base of the triangle, okay, the base of the triangle is x minus 3. So here it is x minus 3. The value of x is 7. So 7 minus 3. So when you simplify, it is 1 by 2 into 4 into 12. So here it is 24 meter square. So when you compare the areas, you see, obviously it is clearly given in the problem. That is area of the rectangle is 4 meter greater. That is 4 meter more than the area of the triangle. So here area of the triangle is 24. When you add 4, we will get 28. So the answer which we got is exactly correct. So that's all. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.